Hey everyone, how's it going? So today I'll be talking about multiple tables and queries. To create a relationship between tables, we first need to define the primary and foreign keys. A primary key is a field or a combination of fields with a value that makes each record unique. So let's say, for example, a clinic keeps track of all the John Smiths by identifying them with a unique primary key value. And on the other hand, a foreign key is simply a primary key that you use in another table. With that in mind, we can now try to create a relationship between tables. So to bring information together, you place common fields in tables that are related and by defining relationships between your tables. And you can create queries, forms, reports that display information from several tables at once. For example, in the form shown here, this includes information drawn from several tables. So as you can see in number 1, this is the information from the table, from the customer's table. For number 2, the information comes from the orders table. Number 3, the products table, and number 4 in the orders details table. Okay, so moving on, in Access there are 3 types of relationships, such as a one-to-many relationship, a many-to-many relationship, and a one-to-one relationship. So we will now proceed on how to create queries. So from last session, we defined queries as a way for searching and compiling data from one or more tables. To run a query, first go to the ribbon and select the Create tab. Then select the Query Design command. A table will appear as a small window in the Object Relationship pane, and in the table window, double-click the field names you want to include in your query, and then click Add. In our example, we want to mail invitations to customers who live in a certain area. So we will include the first name, last name, street address, city, state, and zip code fields. In this query, you can also sort the data based on ascending or descending, depending on what you prefer. In addition, you also have the option of putting in a criteria. Let's say you only want customer data from New York City, or in this example, it will be from Raleigh. After that, you can press Run to run and operate your data. Access will then prompt you to save your query, and you can rename it as you wish.